Hello and welcome to Wonder of Learning channel. This video contains math morning work for grades 3 for week 2, days 1 through 5. This video is designed to work at the student's pace to allow time to answer each question for days 1 through 5. So please pause and play at your own speed. Day 1. This section has 5 parts, including solve math problems, draw an array to find the product, divide a rectangle into rows with equal size squares and find the units, finish a number bond to show a multiplication fact, telling time on an analog and digital clock. Number 1. Solve these 2 math problems. Add 5,647 plus 4,351 equals. Then subtract 563 minus 354 equals. Then circle the sum and draw a box around the difference. Number 2. Draw an array for 4 times 5. What is the product? Number 3, divide the rectangle into 4 rows with 4 equal size squares in each row. Then write how many units. Number 4, finish the number bond to show the problem 3 times 5 equals 15. Number 5, draw and show 440 on both types of clocks. Now let's check your math answers for day 1. Day 1 answers. Number 1, solve these 2 math problems. Then circle the sum and draw a box around the difference. 5,647 plus 4,351 equals 9,998. Then subtract 563 minus 354 equals 209. The circle is the sum, and the sum is the answer to the addition problem, so 9,998 is circled. Then draw a box around the difference, and the answer to the subtraction problem is the difference, so 209 has a box around it. Number 2, draw an array for 4 times 5. What is the product? We have an array that shows 4 rows with 5 columns. The repeated addition is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 20, or 4 times 5 is 20, and the product is 20. Number 3, divide the rectangle below into 4 rows with 4 equal size squares in each row. Then write how many units. The rectangle is divided into 4 rows with 4 equal squares, so 4 times 4 equals 16. There are 16 units in all. Number 4, the number bond shows 15 at the top and 3 in one number bond circle at the bottom with 5 in the other number bond circle. 3 times 5 equals 15. Number 5, on the analog clock, the hour hand is almost on 5 and the minute hand is on 8, so the time shows 4:40. The digital clock shows 4:40 written. Day 2. This section has 4 parts, including a word problem with 2 parts, skip counting by 2s and 3s, find the product and factors in each equation, and shade in parts of a fraction and then write the fraction. Number 1, word problem with 2 parts. Part 1. Max has 5 packs of candy. There are 6 pieces of candy in each pack. How many pieces of candy does Max have? Part 2. Draw an array and write a multiplication sentence to solve. Number 2. Skip counting by 2s and 3s by filling in the missing numbers. There are 7 blanks to skip count in each line. Number 3. Look at each of the multiplication sentences shown. Rewrite the problem and circle the product. Draw a box around the factors. The multiplication sentence are 4 times 6 equals 24, 5 times 7 equals 35, and 3 times 5 equals 15. Number 4, the rectangle is divided into 8 equal parts. Shade in 3 parts, then write a fraction for the shaded parts using the fraction bar shown. Now let's check your math answers for Day 2. Day 2 answers. Number 1, Max has 5 packs of candy. There are 6 pieces of candy in each pack. How many pieces of candy does Max have? Draw an array and write a multiplication sentence to solve. On the array shown, there are 5 rows shaded with 6 equal squares. So the repeated addition sentence is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 30, or 5 times 6 equals 30. Number 2, skip count by 2s and 3s on 7 spaces. The answers for the 2s are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. The answers for the 3s are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Number 3, look at each of the multiplication sentences shown. You are to rewrite the problem and circle the product and draw a box around the factor. In the multiplication sentence, 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 and 6 are factors and have a box around them. 24 is the product and is circled. In the multiplication sentence, 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 and 7 are factors and have a box around them, and 35 is the product and is circled. In the multiplication sentence, 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 and 5 are factors and have a box around them. 15 is the product and is circled. Number 4, the rectangle is divided into 8 equal parts. 3 parts are shaded, so the fraction is 3/8. Day 3, this section has 4 parts, including solve the 2 numbered sentences, draw an array for 5 times 4, what is the product, finish the pattern, finish the number bond, draw and show the time on an analog and digital clock. Number 1, solve these 2 math problems. 4,690 plus 385 equals 953 minus 642 equals. Then circle the sum and draw a box around the difference. Number 2, draw an array for 4 times 5. What is the product? Number 3, draw the shapes and finish the pattern on the line below. Number 4, finish the number bond to show the problem 3 times 6 equals 18. Number 5, draw and show 750 on both the analog and digital clocks. Now let's check your math answers for Day 3. Day 3 answers. Number 1, solve these 2 math problems. Circle the sum and draw a box around the difference. 4,690 plus 385 equals 5,075. This is the sum, so we put a circle around the answer 5,075. 953 minus 642 equals 311. So this is the difference, and we put a box around 311. Number 2, draw an array for 5 times 4. What is the product? We drew an array with 5 rows with 4 equal squares. In each row, for repeated addition sentence of 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 20, or 5 times 4 equals 20. The product is 20. Number 3, draw and finish the pattern. The pattern shown is a triangle, square, pentagon. We drew the next part, which is a triangle, square, pentagon, to finish the pattern. Number 4, finish the number bond to show the problem 3 times 6 equals 18. 18 goes in the top circle because it is the product. 3 and 6 are in the bottom circles because they are the factors. 3 times 6 equals 18. Show 750 on both the analog and digital clocks. The hour hand is between 7 and 8 and is almost on 8. The minute hand is on 10, so the time is 750. The digital clock has 750 written. Day 4. This section has 4 parts, including solve the word problem, skip counting by fives, circle the product of 3 multiplication sentences, compare the equations using greater than, less than, and equal to. Number 1, solve the word problem. Jada has 3 packs of gum. There are 4 pieces of gum in each pack. How many pieces of gum does Jada have? She chews 3 pieces of gum. How many pieces of gum does she have left? Number 2, skip count by fives. 5 is done for you. Now fill in the next 7 blanks. Number 3, rewrite and circle the product in each multiplication sentence. 7 times 5 equals 35. 4 times 3 equals 12. 2 times 8 equals 16. Number 4, compare the equations using greater than, less than, and equal to. 3 times 4 blank, 4 times 3. The next one, 2 times 6 blank, 3 times 5. 1 times 10 blank, 2 times 4. 4 times 5 blank, 5 times 5. Now let's check your math answers for day 4. Day 4 answers. Solve the word problem. Jada has 3 packs of gum. There are 4 pieces of gum in each pack. How many pieces of gum does Jada have? 3 times 4 equals 12. She chews 3 pieces of gum. How many pieces of gum does she have left? 12 minus 3 equals 9. Skip count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Number 3, circle the product. 7 times 5 equals 35. 35 is the product. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 is the product. 2 times 8 equals 16. 16 is the product. Compare the equations using greater than, less than, and equal to. 3 times 4 equals 12, and 4 times 3 equals 12, so we use the equal sign. 2 times 6 is 12, and 3 times 5 is 15, so 12 is less than 15. 1 times 10 equals 10, and 2 times 4 equals 8. 10 is greater than 8. 4 times 5 equals 20, and 5 times 5 equals 25, so 20 is less than 25. Day 5. This section has 3 parts, including solve the equations, round to the nearest 10 and solve, complete the input-output chart, show the time on an analog and digital clock, and complete the fact family triangle. Number 1, solve the equations. 453 plus 547 equals 973 minus 536 equals. Number 2, round each number to the nearest 10 and solve. 89 plus 23 equals. Number 3, complete the input-output box. Rule 3, you see on the chart below the number 2, so this lets you know that 3 times 2 equals 6. Now complete the rest of the input-output box. Number 4, show 5:15 on both types of clocks. Number 5, complete the fact family triangle and then complete the fact family facts. Shown on the triangle are the numbers 15 and 8 to help you get started. Now let's check your math answers for day 5. Day 5 answers. Number 1, solve the equations. 453 plus 547 equals 1,000. 973 minus 536 equals 437. Number 2, round each number to the nearest 10 and solve. 89 plus 23 equals. 89 is rounded to the nearest 10, which is 90, and 23 is rounded to the nearest 10, which is 20. 90 plus 20 equals 110. Also remember that 89 plus 23 equals 112. This is closest to 110 than to 120. Number 3, complete the input-output box. Rule 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. Number 4, show 5:15 on both clocks. On the analog clock, the hour hand is barely past 5 and the minute hand is on 3, so the time is 5:15. On the digital clock, the time is 5:15 written. Complete the fact family triangle and then complete the fact family facts. Shown on the triangle are the numbers 15 and 8 to help you get started. The other number on the fact family triangle is 7. The fact family facts are 8 plus 7 equals 15, 7 plus 8 equals 15, 15 minus 8 equals 7, and 15 minus 7 equals 8. You did an awesome job on all your hard work. Keep up the great work. Thank you for learning with me today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. We hope you'll join us again soon for another lesson on Wonder of Learning. Until then, bye-bye.